Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the WOOX Gladiatore grip on your Mossberg Shockwave shotgun. Prior to doing an installation like this, you want to check all your local laws and ordinances, making sure you're not doing anything illegal. Also, you want to make sure it is empty. Check the chamber, check the mag tube. I can see there is nothing in here, so we are good to go. I am going to stick this in a vise, make it easier to show you guys what I'm doing. And to do this, you only need two simple tools, a 1/4-inch drive bit and a prying tool to remove the plug on the factory Shockwave grip. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to take my prying tool, pry the plug out. You can see it removes very easily. I will take my 1/4-inch bit, insert it into the back of the screw, remove that. Once that's removed, all I'm going to do is take my new grip, bolt, insert it in the hole in the back of the grip, get my 1/4-inch bit inserted into the head of it, get everything aligned on the back of the shotgun, and tighten it down. That's all there is to it, guys. A very quick and easy installation, and greatly improves the look and feel of your Mossberg Shockwave. Thanks for watching.